Hey, you're welcome to the channel. Are you looking for ways to create beautiful graphics for yourself? I mean, are you tired of paying for little graphics that you see other brands doing but you don't know how to do yourself? Are you looking for how to create business logos, business card, social media posts, and every other thing? Then this video is for you. You search no more, because I'm going to show you in this video how to do all of this by yourself. I mean, you can do it yourself. Just take a look at this. I designed this myself. I'm not a professional graphic designer. I just do these little things for my brand and for myself, right? I designed these thumbnails. All the thumbnails you're seeing on my videos, I designed them myself. All the graphics you see on all my business pages, I designed them myself. All right, so I'm going to show you how to do this. It's going to be simple. Don't think it's hard. It's not hard. Just follow every step and make sure you don't skip any part, because if you do, you might miss the most important part. Right. If you're seeing my face for the first time, hi, my name is Rachel Nabon. You're welcome to my page. I teach you how to use social media for your businesses and for your brand, how to make money online, lifestyle vlog, and everything in between. So without further ado, let's dive into the video of the day. I'm going to take you to my screen now to show you how to do all of this by yourself. Keep watching. So what you need to do is to download the Canva app, or go to your website and type www.canva.com. You can download it either on your Play Store or your Apple Store, right? It has the same interface. So one thing about Canva is that it comes with a whole lot of templates, both on the free version and also on the pro version, right? So for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the free version. Okay, like I said, you can use it to design a whole lot of things, by starting from your social media posts, your thumbnails, Instagram stories, Facebook posts, Instagram posts. Each of them have their templates and have their sizes. You can use it to create logo for your business, right? You can also do print on t-shirts, ebooks, document, presentation, poster, ebooks, book cover, and a lot of them. There are a whole lot of things you can do with Canva. I'm going to be showing you how to create a poster from this particular app, right? So I want to create a flyer for my upcoming importation and content creation training coming up. So I'm going to pick a flyer. It's a poster, right? So under poster, I'm going to pick a design. If you see here, there are a whole lot of designs. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to pick this one, and I'm picking this because it has a bit of my brand colors. So here is what we have. All I need to do is to play around with the fonts, change the titles and the rest, and make it what I want it to be. First of all, I'm going to work on the picture, because I'm not talking about house, I'm talking about importation. So I'm going to replace it. And how do you replace it? Tap on the picture, click on replace. Once you click on replace, you can pick any picture. So here is the picture I selected, but it's not well positioned, so I'm going to crop it for it to fit in. So how do you crop? You tap it, double tap the picture, and then move it to where you want it to be. Here is it. It's better now. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to work with the title, right? What is there is exclusive furniture. So I'm not talking about furniture. I'm going to work on it. So I double tap the word furniture and type in what I want. So I'm going to go ahead. I'm okay with the exclusive, right? So I won't change that. But if you want to change it, it's still okay. Just double tap it and you can highlight and start typing what you want. So I'm going to type exclusive China importation. So if you notice is wide, like it's quite big. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to resize it. If you want to resize, how do you resize? If you look when you're typing, there is a box around the letters. So you tap on each of the edge that have 4 points. Tap on it. Either you increase or you reduce it to what you want. So that's how you reduce the size of your letters. So now put what to expect. So you just go on and type in all these things. So whatever you want to edit, whatever you want to work on, just tap on it. How to import from China, how to pay suppliers yourself, how to ship to your doorstep. So that is what you should expect in class. That is what you should expect in class. So I've done that. So the next thing is adding my slogan. My slogan is your satisfaction, priority. Priority. So I've done that. The next is to work on the contact us. So it's very easy. I'll just put my phone number. This is how it works. I can decide to also include my I can also decide to include my social media handles, zip loss, importation. So I can add more to this particular design, but with this now you're seeing it's looking beautiful already. It's fine, no need adding too much thing, right? If you want to play with the colors, you just tap on the colors you want, like this other color now. I don't like it. I want to change it to my brown color, which is green, and it's giving it that calm look. I can decide to put black there, but I don't want. I think I should go with green. So whatever you want to touch, whatever you want to play with, you can just go ahead and put it. If you feel this black should not be here, you can delete it out. This black here, you can delete it out, but this is beautiful. Is this not beautiful? After this is to download the file. So how do you download the file? If you look at the top, you will see the arrow. So you go ahead, click here to download and click on download, right? So if you have more than one pages, it's going to show download what page. So you pick the page that you want to download. So I'll go ahead and just download this. Since I'm using the app, once this finished loading, it enters my phone automatically. All right, so I have it on my phone already. I'll just wait for it to finish loading, then I remove it. Okay, so the next I want to talk about is YouTube thumbnail. So let's go back to our home page, and also let's design this together. Let's design from the scratch. What you need to do is to come over here and search for YouTube thumbnails. Click on see all to look at other templates that are available and do it yourself. Give this video a thumbs up if you like it, and also enroll for my courses if you want to learn more about Canva design. Send me a DM on Instagram at Rachel Nabon, or click link in bio to get the courses and template. Okay, so this is how this is going to work. First of all, I'm not okay with the title. I'm going to work on the title. I'm going to put how to make money online. Yeah, so this title is perfect. And I also go ahead and replace the picture to the picture I want, right? So I'll just pick a picture that I want, just replace it with this picture, allow it. That's the first. You have to allow it to finish resetting. It will reset by itself. So this is it. So the positioning is okay. Now I'm not okay too with all these things at the background. I want to delete them off. So you just tap and delete, tap and delete. Okay, I've just tap and delete them all. So I've deleted it. Next, I want to change the background. I don't like this black background, so I prefer going with a white background. But if I use a white background now, all the letters I type is gone. So I'll just tap and change the colors to red so that it will pop, right? So this is what can show very well. And this element around it too, you can also as well change the color to a color that will show more. Just tap and change the color, and now we have it. I want to include my Instagram and TikTok handle on this flyer. So how do I do that? I will just go ahead and click on elements and search for YouTube element. So I've seen YouTube element. I'll bring it down here. I'll go again and type on element. Click Facebook icon. So I have Facebook icon here. I'll reduce the size by holding and dragging down and bringing it down here, right? And I'll also need Instagram. I'll come and tap on element again and search Instagram. So just search for Instagram icon. So this is an Instagram icon. I'll just tap on it and bring it down. So I'll bring it down. Make sure that all of them are on the same line. The same line, right? They're together. So what I want to type now is my business name. So I'll use type on text at the bottom, type on text and use subheading. I use subheading Rachel Narbon, right? So that's a subheading. I'll have to bring it down, drag it down, make sure that it's on the same line with this. So you have my social media handles attached to it. You can decide to increase the size of the letters using font size. You can increase it, you can reduce it to whichever size you want. You can as well change the font to any font that you want at all. So you can pick any of them, any one that you like. There are a whole lot of fonts there. The colors that you want, if you want to change it from red to green, it's still good. You can change it. It's making more sense, right? So still on the text, highlight the text and select whichever way you want it. So this is exactly what I want. Does this make sense? Okay, the third method I'm going to be showing you. Let me go to home. What you need to do is to click on the plus sign at the bottom to create your own design. So what design do you want to create? Let's say you want to create an Instagram post. An Instagram. I'm looking for the free version. The ones with the plus are the they are the pro version. So I'm going to click on this. So this designer is perfect. You input your Instagram post. Let's say you talk about interior designs. I have some interior designs that I did for Gap Design Pen. So I'm going to pick one of them. Yeah, I picked this now. It is a combination of colors, different designs that I've made. So I'm going to add that to this now. So this is fine. So what am I talking about in this thing? I'll just go ahead and put interior, final. Come down here and click on finishing. Since it's talking about designs, painting, final finishing, visitors. So what I'll need to do next, I include the logo here, the company's logo, which you can just put anything. You can put your company's logo. Let's say this is the company's logo, and I go ahead and put Gap Design Paints with their company logo. So that's their company logo over there, right? So since I've done that, always check out for corrections where it's needed. So I'll go ahead and click on, if you notice there is a contact space where you can actually write the contact. Then you go ahead and type the number, either your phone number or your email address, right? Okay, so this is their contact. This is their contact. Up next, I'm going to put their Instagram handle or their email address. Okay, so I have it all figured out. So this is nice. If you enjoyed this tutorial, give this video a thumbs up. Make sure you like and drop a comment. Please subscribe to my channel.